Hello again. So I made the right choice, I suppose, moving to Ukraine because I prefer rockets impacts and drones flying overhead, as I've experienced in Kremenchuk, in Kherson. I heard rockets whiz past by when I was in Irpin, etc. Yeah, it's there's the dangers now and then, but it's better than this nonsense that's going on in Germany. And he says something which is wrong, by the way. He mentions Schwarzkopf as being an insult. That's not true. The text he quotes actually shows it. Schwarzkopf is a company that makes hair products, and it relates to an advertising campaign. So here, this is Schwarzkopf. That's a company. And he says,
retweeted an image of Green Economy Minister Robert Habeck, calling him Schwarzkopf, which
no, not Schwarzkopf, Schwachkopf.
generally means idiot in German. The
No,
Bamberg
Schwarzkopf does not mean idiot in German. Schwachkopf means idiot, dumbass, something like that.
prosecutor's office asserted that this represented a criminal federal offence of hatred, and it was officially recorded as a politically motivated right-wing crime. The prosecutor complained that the
Here it says, shows a portrait of federal minister with this Schwachkopf professional. Professional dumbass. Based on the advertising campaign of the Schwarzkopf company. Here you see its reference. I don't know why he says Schwarzkopf. It says Schwachkopf, which means dumbass. In order to generally defame Robert Habeck and to make it more difficult for him to work as a member of the federal government. What a load of rubbish. Give me a break. And then the 202. Let's see. 10 minutes. Section 0 of the Criminal Code covers derogatory opinions, defamatory remarks, or expressions that show disrespect or contempt. This can include verbal abuse or statements that degrade someone's worth. The penalty for insult is imprisonment for a term not exceeding 1 year or fine, and if the insult is committed publicly. These people are crazy. Jesus. On my website, I've called people idiots and liars, etc. and I'm not going to remove that, even if it were against the law in the Netherlands, by the way. And I don't think it is, but also what I use people's words against them, which means that I show that people are idiots or liars. And they can never, in essence, they can never do anything against me because I show exactly why it is that they are. So it's not really an insult in the sense of not having any proof or evidence. I always do that. I use their own words against them. Which is, by the way, something I also used in discussions on Usenet news groups, on Linux groups, etc. Really annoyed people that they couldn't find arguments against me in certain discussions, and they became irrational. It was hilarious to see. Okay, that's it for now. Bye.